Withdrawing money from your Capital One account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Capital One account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, look for the Transfers or Move Money option in the main menu. Click on it to start the withdrawal process. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. Choose the option to withdraw funds. You may need to specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Select the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you may need to add it by providing the necessary account details. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and destination account. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer to complete the process. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank account to ensure the transfer has been completed successfully.